this video, I'll be demonstrating how you can select a tab option and make it the default so that whenever you go onto that record type, it will go straight to that page. So I'll be demonstrating this on a candidate record. So firstly, make sure you're on the record you'd like to do this to, and then go to the tab that you'd like to set as default. So for example, checklists, and then hover over the option where it says view more and go down to set as default tab. Once you've done this, every time you click on a candidate record, it will go straight to the checklist tab. I'll demonstrate this for you now. So I'll open up this candidate record. And as you'll notice, it's not gone to the candidate tab, it's gone straight to checklist. I hope this helps.